How to buy Heurist token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure you check their X account. They have a big community there. Now go and check on it. Now after that, to be able to buy this token, make sure to open it on CoinGisco and click on markets. As you can see, this token is available on different exchange platforms. For example, if you have Mixi, you can go. If you have Kate.io, if you have Uniswap. Now, if you have one of these platforms, just go. If you don't have any account on one of these platforms, just select one and create an account on it. For example, I will use Mixi. Now click on here, and now after that, log into your account, and you will be able to buy this token. Now just go and click on markets or limits. I prefer to select markets. Now after that, enter how much you want to buy with USDT, and you will be able to buy. Just click on buy and you will buy it. So this is how to buy the Heurist token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.